What's up everybody, Brent from Brenspeed. Thank you so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and hit notify to stay up to date on what I do in this channel, because I do a lot of different things, and today's proof, 01 Bullitt. Now, hey, I know those of you who watch this channel don't get to see a lot of these, and I did some research I want to talk about in a minute on YouTube about cars like this. We installed a Vortech supercharger, stage 1 comp cams. We're going to make a Dyno pull, see the numbers it makes. Let's go check it out. All right, I have Doug with me. We're going to go down here in a second, take a look at the engine compartment. I'm going to go over a couple things. One, how do you get a quote on an installation? Email quote@brenspeed.com and check that description. Everything I'm getting ready to show you right now, I will put links so you can read a lot more about these parts. What I was talking about earlier is I was doing some research on YouTube. When I was tuning this car, I was doing some research to see, what kind of power these cars out there made, and I cannot believe the number of 2-valve Mustangs with a Vortech that have dyno videos on YouTube. You watch the dyno pull, you're watching it, then the video's over. No dynograph. No big payoff at the end. No climax. So I just thought it was kind of crazy because, when you watch my videos, we're always going to check out those numbers. But Doug, come down here. So we have 01 Bullitt, 109,000 miles. All right, we did the V2 Vortech supercharger, about 8 pounds of boost. It's non-intercooled. 39-pound fuel injectors, Kohler spark plugs, did an upgraded end-tank fuel pump, and then, of course, I tuned it using SCT software with an SCT X4 programmer, and we also did the comp stage 1 cam. So those are good for a little bit more power, but hey, we got to be careful. This is a 2-valve. We can't go nuts. I'm going to show you here in a second what this car made, but I landed on 93 octane right where I wanted to be. So that's it right there. It's the V2 supercharger, stage 1 comp cams. It already had BBK long tubes. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're going to check out the numbers, but I want to tell you just a couple things. So, all right, 2-valve Mustangs, this supercharger package you just looked at. Hey, that's only something that we install here at Brenspeed. If I'm tuning it, I have to do it in-house. I don't have a mail order package with a custom tune for a 2-valve. I know a lot of you know that I do for the 05 and newer Mustangs. If you have a 2-valve, you need to come visit us, and again, check that description on how to do that. But look right here, 404 real horsepower, 6,100 RPM on our DynoJet rated SAE. Torque came in at great 372 at 5250. So those are really good numbers, and this is where I want to be. 93 octane. I could have got a little hotter on the tune. I'm not really comfortable doing it. I probably could have got maybe like 20 more to the tires with the current 8 pounds of boost. But again, stock engine, nice 01 Bullitt. I didn't really want to do it. I didn't want to have that little bit of risk factor in there. But Doug, come over here, take a look. Pretty neat, it's black, not green. We got the 01 Bullitt. Again, a lot of you are like, hey, I want to see more 2-valve videos. So hey, you watch all our videos, you see so many S550s, 11 to 14 Mustangs, 3-valve Mustangs. We do get 2 valves come in here. I try to take time when they do come in and do a video, but I don't get to do a lot of them. So Doug, one more time over here. It's the old Bullitt Mustang, pretty sweet. Vortech supercharged, very basic setup, non-intercooled. We do relocate the IAT to get accurate intake temp measurements. We do use a 90mm Lightning old school mass airflow sensor. That way we can get the proper airflow measurement on this. But hey, that's it. So again, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Leave that comment. I'm happy to answer. Appreciate you watching, and if you don't mind, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. Thanks.